Hey there, fellow developers. How are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. So, welcome to another video. And in this video, we are going to pick up a random problem on JavaScript, and we are going to pick up our problems from a very famous website which is called HackerRank.com, and we are going to solve 10 days of JavaScript from HackerRank.com. And I have already solved these problems in our last video. I have explained the day one problem, which is function, and I have already solved that problem. So in this video I'm going to solve another problem which is called let and const. And in this problem we are going to be familiar with let keyword and const keyword. Well, so before you start, I always recommend you to read this objective, task, input format and output format clearly so that you can solve those problems very easily. Well, so in this task we're told to declare a const variable which is pi. Well, so I'm going to declare a const variable which is pi. Well, and it is already said that assign it the value math.py. Okay, so I have to assign this pi with math.py. Okay. Also, secondly, we have to declare a number variable which is r, and we have to read the input from the stdin. So I'm going to declare this r. Well, so we have to read the input, right? So to read the input I can use read line. Okay, so we are done with this line. In the next line we have to use pi and r to calculate the area. Well, so we have to calculate the area with pi and r. Okay, now we have to calculate the perimeter of the circle. I'm declaring another variable which is perimeter, and we already know that we have to multiply 2 pi and r to calculate the perimeter. Okay, so in the last line we have to print the area as the first line. So we're going to print the area with the help of console.log. And we have to print the area, right? Well, so we're done with this line, and then we have to print the perimeter also, and we're going to use console.log. Well, so we're done with our code, and now we are going to run this code. Well, so see, the code passed the sample test case 0, and now we are going to submit this code and see if the code pass all the test cases. And you can see our code has passed all the test cases. So you can see our next challenge is JS10 loops. That means we are going to be familiar with loops in JavaScript. So this challenge I'll solve in the next video. So I'm going to wrap up this video here. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So thank you everyone. Have a good day.